Hey everyone, Hal Matheson from Fame Wireless, here to do a demonstration of our new and improved diagnostic software for Repairbot. This new software runs on Linux. It's a much more stable platform and helps the drivers communicate much better with the software. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection, plug in your Apple devices, the app will go to the phone, and you want to go into general settings and just trust device management for the software. And with your Android devices, turn on USB debugging before you plug it in. I'm going to run through this in real time. I will take a couple breaks to show you some of the automated tests that go really fast that I don't want you to miss. But here we go. Internal storage test. And then right away jumps through 4 tests. The most important one, it does test the capacity. This is a 16 gig phone, but tests if it's rooted. It tests the SIM card to make sure it's good health. But this battery health test, you see it's charging, you see the battery level 79%, you see the overall health of the battery is good, you see the cycle count, how many times it's gone all the way down to 0 and back up fully charged, and your current max capacity is 1700 megahertz, and it's at 93% of that capacity. So not bad for a phone that's a couple generations old. So let's go, here's the rooted test, the SIM card test, and into the USB plug test. Now with USB plug test, just unplug the USB, go ahead and plug it back in. Pass that test. Touch ID, we're going to fail this test. I don't have an ID registered in this device. Connectivity, so it's checking Wi-Fi. It's also checking Bluetooth at the same time. No devices there. Oh, it picked on something. iCloud was just tested. Here's your call test. As soon as you see it connect, go ahead and hit end. You can pass that test. Home button test. Go back in the app. It goes automatically to the power button test. Use the power button, goes right into audio controls. Follow the prompts here. Now here's your headset test. On the headset test, first thing is whether or not the jack is working. So go ahead and plug that in. Next, it's going to take you to a screen where it's going to play sound for the left, the right, and both headsets at the same time. That's also a new feature for us. And it'll keep playing till you either pass or fail that test. Backlight test, making sure that works. LCD paint. Hit start. Just got to paint the whole screen green. You can use multiple fingers, one finger. Make sure you get everything. LCD fill. We used to have on our previous software just a white screen. There's that white screen. With the new software, black, red, green, and blue. If there is any white around here, which we were missing before, that'll also tell you if you've had a bad LCD or a failing one. Here's your flash. You want to use the flash. Just simply turn it around. Make sure the flash is on. Back camera. Start your camera test. Lift this up to take a picture. Tap the screen anywhere. Once it's taken a picture, you can go ahead and check your zoom as well. Now you want to do your front camera. You get to see our little camera here we're using to film the video. Also on an iPhone 6. Tap on that. Check your zoom. Pass or fail. Now here's your receiver speaker.
This is an audio playback test.
I can hear it saying audio playback test. Pass or fail. Now here's your loudspeaker.
This is an audio playback test.
Works. Main microphone record. So you're going to just record quickly. This is an audio playback test. 3-second recording.
Quickly, this is an audio playback test. Quickly, this is an audio.
Display cracked, so do a cosmetic check on here if the LCD is cracked. Back cover, is it cracked? LDI presence for the liquid damage indicator, pass or fail. Vibration, it'll start to vibrate if the vibration is working, and it'll keep vibrating until you hit pass or fail. Here's your proximity and light sensor. We're in a white box here, so I got to take it out just to do it quickly. You just cover it up a couple times, and it passed that test. Accelerometer, just follow the instructions, arrow pointing to the right, turn it to the right until it vibrates, to the top, and then straight down. Next is the gyroscope. You want to follow, it's telling me I have to turn it that way, then I have to turn it this way. Gyrometer's working. Now here's the charger plug. As I mentioned before, this has to be plugged into an AC adapter, so unplug your USB, plug in a charger, just to make sure that's working, and you're done. Now you want to plug the USB from the computer back in the phone after you're finished. It'll show you establishing connection to my computer, and the results were sent automatically to my computer. App is now off my phone, and you're done. A PDF is going to be sent to you by email with the full report, test results, what was tested and how it was tested for your files and for your customers as well. If you want to have dashboard reporting, more in-depth reporting, please go ahead and speak to your sales rep about that. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. That was pretty much the test in real time. Shouldn't take you more than a couple minutes, and anyone can do it. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you need anything. Talk to you soon.